Hey everybody, it's our anniversary, and as many of you know, our anniversary week is the biggest sale of the year. First and most importantly, let me say thank you to each and every one of you for being a part of my wig journey, for letting me be a part of your wig journey. I think we have the best community here, so supportive and so much fun, and I look forward to many years together. Now, as I said, this is our biggest sale of the year, and I'm going to have a link in the description below that will take you to our anniversary sale. You can check out all the great sales. There's gift with purchases, and there's also giveaways. And speaking of giveaways, we are giving away 2 Adirond's wigs. Now, if you're wondering what Adirond's is, it's a brand that includes the Renee of Paris brand, the Noriko brand, the Amour brand, Orchid brand, and the Alexandra Couture brand. We will be giving away 2 synthetic wigs from these brands. And all you have to do to enter is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and in the comments, put your favorite Adirond's brand wig. And in addition to giving away 2 free wigs, Adirond's brands, all of them, are 45% off during the anniversary sale. It doesn't get better than that. I'm going to show you some of my favorites now, so sit back and relax. Okay, so those are some of my favorites. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and in the comments, put your favorite Adirond's wig for a chance to win one of the 2 giveaways. You also get 45% off of all Adirond's brands wigs during the anniversary sale. Also, make sure to head on over and check out our anniversary sale. There are discounts that are the biggest of the year, there are gifts with purchases, and there are giveaways. So go check those out. Thank you so much for a successful year, and I look forward to many years together.